Soldiers must be trained to engage and destroy the enemies of the United States of America in close combat. Synthetic simulation training increases trigger time and creates an understanding of trajectory and ballistics that can't be taught on a live-fire range. Instant feedback of point of aim, point of impact creates an understanding of what the weapon round is doing during its flight path to the target. Soldiers must master the fundamentals of individual weapons marksmanship through PMI before they are confronted with real threats. Simulators create new skill sets that increase accuracy, target identification, reaction time, threat assessment, and lethality. The implementation of LaserShot's MMTS by the Army National Guard is the National Guard's opportunity to provide its soldiers that leap-ahead technology that General McConville alluded to. It is a training enabler to continually build training and readiness and increase soldier lethality.